Alright guys, so just as usual, play Dragon Ball Z Kakarot and we're gonna fight Goku versus Trunks. The future Trunks. Let's do it. There is to be a Super Saiyan, it's not what it looks like. It's not just easy to fight going like this, but I tried. It's just a PC, guys. It's not a, a, a console or something. It's not a PS4 or something, PS5 or Xbox. It's just a PC. So let's do it. If you guys gonna say to me something like the comments or you know likes bearing to me, because I really want to send me you guys something. I try really hard, just as I fought to you guys. Okay, just a little health. Goku resisted every time, but maybe I can use Kaioken, but don't try it. You use to Goku too much health. Nice bearing, Trunks. I unleashed my full potential, just as Dokkan. Oh, here potential. Alright, so this is it. Send me to me something, guys. I really want to. Bye.